Hi everyone, Alex here. Today we're going to be placing some doors in Revit. I'm going to show you how to place and edit doors. We're going to be creating some duplicates and we're going to edit some types. It's going to be fun. Get ready. Let's get started. And remember, this video is part of our Revit multi-trade from 0 to 100 course. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, go ahead and watch them now, because if not, you're going to be completely lost. Hi everyone, this is Alex with BIMitUp, where we help you with professional training and coaching in mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire protection systems, and Autodesk platforms like Revit and AutoCAD MEP. Let's get started. All right, now we're ready to place some doors, and we're not going to worry about the type of door too much right now. Let's just get the sizes right. And for that, I have the AutoCAD file here open. So I'm going to measure using the distance command from here, let's say to here, and I can see that's 2 feet 6 inches, so that's 30 inches. I'm going to take this to my other screen, and let's drop a door right here. So for that we go to architecture, door, and I'm going to get a single flush 30 by 80. Let's just keep it simple. I do spacebar to flip the orientation, and then I drop it here. So that's one. Let's drop this one here, and let me measure that. This one's a 32, and we don't have a 32 by 80, so let's duplicate this one. Duplicate 32 by 80, and then the width is 32 inches. Let's adjust it. And now this one here seems about this size. So that's that one there. And then this one here, let me measure it. That one's 36. So 36 by 80 right here. Flip with spacebar. This one's the same size. Flip with spacebar. Now let's do create similar. This one here is 36. So I think this here are 30 as well. So let's do create similar. There's one door right here. Spacebar, another one here. And then we have another one here. This one's 28, so we're gonna duplicate. So edit type. We don't need the preview. Duplicate. 28. So our width is 28. Click OK. Very good. And then this one here is the smallest door. It's actually 24. So let's edit type. Duplicate. 24. This is 24 inches. Okay. We have all the doors in the house. Actually, we're missing this one here. So create similar. Just drop it right there. We're done with our doors. And I believe this door is slightly more to the right. This wall here aligned with this one. So just like that. And now we're good with the walls and the doors. Let's take a look in 3D. There you go. So those are our walls and our doors. Now we just need some floors. Just a note to say that if you're watching this, you're not currently on our BIMitUp platform, so you may be getting only partial content. For exclusive BIMitUp training material, you want to visit BIMitUp.com. Subscription to the website is free, with some paid and some free content. We're trying not to run ads here, so the creation of the content is made possible, mostly by the contribution and support of our subscribers. So if you enjoy what we do here, please consider becoming one. You can do so by joining our Patreon community at patreon.com/BIMitUp, or by simply scanning the QR code that you see on screen right now. And if you're really serious about your professional training, you can book some live training at BIMitUp.com, or by simply scanning the QR code that you see on screen right now. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.